guys, and welcome back to another Dafty in the Garden video with me, Sean. Now today we're going to be doing something again I've never done before. I'm using my beetroot and actually pickling them. I'm actually only growing this because it's actually one of my mum's favourite. So let's have a look at what harvest we have so far and then we'll get this sorted. Now, sorry about the camera work. I'm just trying to get you as close as possible. Now this is when you can actually tell when a beetroot is ready, is when you start seeing beetroot itself just peeking through the ground. And you can see there's some there, it's not even doing that yet, it's still too young. And not just there yet. Well, yeah, that's another one. We have another one back there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that one and I'm going to take that one and leave the rest in there. Now that could have done with a wee bit longer. Now I'd probably call this baby beetroot, if anything. So it could be in there for a little bit longer. So basically these are my two beetroots, and all we're going to do is give them a wee cut here and here, give them a wee clean up and then start to cook them. I just don't want to cut through the actual shell, I just want to cut off these little roots here. If you're going to do anything like this, be warned, it may dye your clothes if you get any of this on your clothes. Okay. Now you can steam this as well and eat all this as well, but as I say, I'm not a big fan of beetroot, so I'm just going to go and compost that. We're going to just clean them up. So if I just get a little skewer or a brush and just scrape them down, and that's it ready to cook. So now that I've got my sponge, I cleaned up my station a little bit, and all we're going to do is scrub these slightly. So I'm just going to take them out of the water and just gently go round the edges. What we're going to do is get the kitchen foil. I'm going to cut this in two and wrap each of these up and stick it in the oven. So all we're going to do is take one of these, wrap it in the foil, put them on a tray and cook them for 25 to 30 minutes. So that has just been over an hour. I've given this time to cook and I have also letting it cool off a little bit. And you can probably hear in the background the dogs running around, but hopefully you can still hear me okay with these things in my ear. As I said before, this is quite dyeable, this stuff, so if you get any on your clothes or things like that, That's actually quite nice. So now that I've done that, all we're looking to do now is get our pre-cooked vinegar and just pour that so it's above the baby beetroot. Well, it says there, not much, but it's a start, and I can go and see if my mother likes it. So guys, that was me trying to make my own homegrown beetroot, and yeah, I jarred it, it was pickled. It was actually quite nice. I don't like beetroot normally, as I says at the beginning of this video. This was completely for my mum, and I actually tried some. It was really nice. I think I'm going to have a new concept of whether I like beetroot or not. It looks like I actually do. So I think some of this now going forward, it's going to be for me, but we'll see what happens. So that's another Dafty in the garden video with me, Sean, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.